Prime drinks have been flying off the shelves since they launched. Fans of YouTubers KSI and Logan Paul have been scrambling to get their hands on the brightly coloured bottles. They're a hit with children, with some parents paying £100 for a bottle. Marketed as a hydration drink, Prime states it can help you refresh, replenish and refuel, and is a perfect boost for any endeavour. But are there health benefits to the drink? Are they suitable for kids? Can they help aid muscle recovery? We take a look at the ingredients to find out and ask the experts to give their verdict. First up, all 7 flavours of Prime contain filtered water, 10% coconut water from concentrate, as well as the electrolyte acesulfame potassium. Studies have shown that electrolytes can help boost muscle recovery and keep you hydrated, which is useful for those who do a lot of exercise, like athletes. However, dietitian Joan Mella said based on the formulation of the drinks, they might not be effective. It is potassium-based, so it wouldn't aid hydration, so it's not likely to improve performance, he said. Nutritionist Georgina Robertson said children under the age of 18 shouldn't be having these drinks at all. I don't believe children should be having these drinks as part of their diet. Children's electrolyte balance is also more sensitive than adults, so could easily have an adverse effect on hydration, Georgina said. Joanne added that normally electrolytes aren't recommended for children unless they are unwell or at risk of dehydration. Prime drinks contain BCAAs in the form of leucine, isoleucine and valine. These are branched-chain amino acids which are proteins found in foods and are sometimes deemed as muscle foods. Studies have shown that consuming too many of these can lead to issues such as fatigue, nausea and headaches. Nutritionist Georgina Robertson says BCAAs are useful for muscle repair after weight training or intense exercise, which is not a necessity for children as they don't train like adults. Joanne added that while the level of BCAAs are unlikely to be high enough to be a cause of concern, supplementation without a clear health reason is not recommended in children, he said. Prime flavours such as Tropical Punch have 0 added sugars but use calorie-free sweeteners instead. This is in the form of number E955, known as sucralose. If children get used to other types of sweet drinks, they may end up choosing them over water, which can be an issue for both their dental health and overall well-being, Signis van Vel at Lifesum said. In general, parents should encourage their children to choose water as their main option for hydration, she said. Despite warnings from some experts, one nutritionist said the drinks could be providing a healthier, no-sugar option for children. Registered dietitian Dr. Paul McCardle said they are 0 sugar and use non-sugar sweeteners, so they provide very few calories. This is great for some teenagers, as they are the group in the UK with the highest intakes of free sugars, so providing an option that reduces their free sugar intake is a bonus. Prime also boasts B vitamins, but what are these? According to the NHS, B12 can help make red blood cells and helps to keep the nervous system healthy. A lack of this particular vitamin could lead to B12 deficiency, which is also known as anemia, but this can be found in foods that we should be included in our diet, such as meat, fish, milk, cheese, eggs and some fortified breakfast cereals. Vitamin B6 is also in the drink, but the NHS states that you should be able to get enough from your diet. So, that was a breakdown of the ingredients and the expert's verdict. Let us know what you think of Prime in the comments below and keep us subscribed for all the latest health news.